What's good, everybody? It's your boy Mikey D, Mikey David, whatever the fuck you want to call me. And today, we're in my new BMW M4 competition pack. It's my first time posting a video with it, so tell me what kind of content you guys want to see. It's been a long time since I actually made car videos. We got a POV kind of thing going on, trying to situate the angle of it, so bear with me, guys. Oh, yes. I love that exhaust, bro. It's so loud. Alright, so we have to wait for the idle to drop. Let's give it a moment. So guys, yeah, let's post down in the comment section below what kind of content you guys would like to see with my M4, as well as my 335, which is right there. Not sure if you guys can see that. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to watch, bro. Just comment down below. Also, if you guys are new, I usually don't ask for this. Drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future upcoming BMW videos. I'm working on getting another car in just a few months. So let's bust a move out of here. We're gonna drop the window. Oh yeah, I'm a hooligan if you guys don't know. Major hooligan. It works. Oh my god, yes. I have a bag there, so that bag might roll around. Yo, I have to admit though, the M4, one of my favorite cars of all time. Like, since it first came out, when I first bought my black 335, this was a car that I was dying for. And now I finally have it, bro, and yo, I gotta admit, I love every moment of it. And yes, I like driving with the windows down. People are obviously gonna be looking at me, but I really could care less. By the way, guys, my main channel is down below in my description box, as well as my Twitter, my Instagram, all the links to my social medias. Be sure to hit me with a follow, guys. You guys want to help support your boy Pook, bro. You already know. Well, Mikey David. I also have a channel called Pookie too, with 180 something thousand subscribers. I play Fortnite. So, but yeah, this is my first original channel that I started on. So, and I love the burbles in this car, bro. Oh my god, I have to admit, I just can roll around all day just doing this, being a hooligan, driving the car the way it's supposed to be driven. Obviously, I don't speed on these kind of roads because you never know if a kid could just run across, or an animal or something. I'm not an animal murderer or murderer in general, so you gotta forgive me with that. Look at this guy, he's not even signaling, bro. He's like, he should have a BMW. He's like a typical BMW driver, but he ain't got no BMW. Jeez Louise, bros. Wow, this car is like so amazing, bro. Everybody's just looking at my head right now. They're like, what is that on his face? It's your mother. What the hell, bro? Oh my god, yes. I mean, oh yeah, by the way, if you guys say, why are you going, probably the comment section, why you drive your car when it's cold? You gotta let it warm up. I drove it earlier, so. Wow. Oh, pothole. Typical New York stuff, bro. Potholes all over the freaking place. Watch where you're going, bro. Yeah, I love this car, bro. It's not even like, bro, you know what's funny? Making car content and car videos in general is just, it's so easy. I love it, bro. Just let me know what you guys want to watch. Yeah, I'm gonna take it for one pull, and we're gonna leave it at that. I want this to be like a short video. I don't want to make like a 10-minute video, you know. I want to make a short, simple, sweet video, let you guys see the acceleration of it, the sound, and then you guys will let me know what you want to watch in the future. It's good. We're gonna take it for a little stroll. We're gonna take it for a little pull right here on the service road on Van Wyck Expressway. I don't know if I have enough room though. Nah, I don't have enough room. We're gonna go on the highway. Let's loop back around, and we're gonna go onto the highway, bros. Come on. Yeah, I think that's the best decision. Oh my god, these roads, bro. I live here and I don't even know these roads are that fucked up, man. Jeez. Ooh, woo. What the hell is that noise? I don't know. Alright, we'll go back around the block. Yes, I signal, man. People just looking at me like, yo, is that a YouTuber? Not a car YouTuber. Alright, let's take it over really quickly onto the Van Wyck. I think that's a good place to start. One thing though about the dual clutch transmission, I can see why they changed it for the 2019 models and it went to the ZF tranny. It's really jerky and bobby in first gear. Wow. I told you I was going to take you out for a little spin, didn't I? But I don't want to wild out. A lot of cops are out these days. They be out here, bro. They be out here. Sorry for that wind, man. I should have put the windows up. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, guys. Hopefully it doesn't sound too bad. Please forgive me. I hope y'all don't hate me. But yeah, bro, I love the M4, man. I can literally sit here and wild out all day with it, but I'm not gonna do that. You know, I'm not gonna do that. I got the BMW ashtray, you know. I ain't gonna say nothing. My car's a little dusty. I gotta clean it up, but that's whatever. On the outside though, it's immaculate. Ooh, I love that, bro. I love it so much. All right, we're gonna take one more pull and then we're gonna end it right there. I might do vlogs. I might do things BMW owners say, things M4 owners do, all that good stuff. If you have any video recommendations, just let me know down below in the comment section, man. I'm really curious. And leave a like. Leave a like if you guys like these kind of videos, wilding out, exhaust clips, revving the hell out of my M4 at a stoplight like this. You know, whatever you want, bro. You guys just let me know what kind of content you want. I'm a hooligan. I'll do whatever. I just enjoy being dumb with my M4. And that's why I bought it, you know. I was going to buy like a C63S or a AMG GTS, but honestly, I felt like this was more of like a hooligan car, something more that like fits me, you know. This fits my personality because I don't know. It's just something I could be young and dumb with, you know. So if that's something you guys want to watch, man. I hate these stop signs, bro. All these red lights, bro. Man, I just wish we could go, bro. Then we gotta wait for those people to drive by. Oh my god, I'm behind a GT. I actually used to get these like this. Why is light space twisted like that, bro? Things some people don't care about their cars, bro. Whatever. You see that same GT? I used to get these a lot for rentals when I used to take in my 3 Series all the time. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. That's all they used to give me. I don't know why. It's like, hey, Pook, you're gonna be an old man, Mikey David. You're gonna be an old man. Oh, yeah, you go ahead, bro. You go ahead, bro. Go ahead, man. I ain't got no problem with that, bro. I ain't douchebag. Alright, so we're gonna put the windows up for this pull. If I have enough room, I'll catch a good second gear pull. If this man changes lanes quick enough, then we can make it happen. If not, it's, oh yes, change lanes, baby. There you go. Wow. Ooh, that's fast. That's really fast. But I told you guys I was gonna do the pull for you bros. And we're going to end up the video there, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys did enjoy the content, drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see. And I'm out, boys. Catch y'all later, man.